First, gather all your documents. And if you can, try to download what's called a tax organizer. If this is assuming you're going to do your taxes on your own, download a tax organizer from the internet. And a tax organizer is essentially like a 10 or 15-page document. Many of the pages won't apply to you, but it's a helpful document to help you gather all the documents you need, all the tax forms you need, and organize them in a manner that makes sense. And then once you have that tax organizer and you organize all your documents, then you can start doing your tax return. The reason why you do that is because that way you ensure you don't miss anything. Sometimes people, especially in an economy like right now, they're doing some freelance work. They might have a 1099 they forgot about or a W-2 they forgot about. And if you don't use that organizer to organize everything together, you might miss that. And then you'll get a nasty letter from the IRS saying that, hey, you didn't report this income. Now you're going to pay additional tax and penalty.